Jamaicans are being advised that as of Monday, March 23, the National Water Commission will be implementing regulatory measures to preserve available supplies. The N.W.C, in a statement, explains that despite rainfall experienced over the past several days, water levels at the Hermitage Dam continue to decline and are now approaching the critical threshold of 65%. Consequently, regulations will be in place for areas served by the Constant Spring system. Under this regulation schedule, the Constant Spring network has been divided into two areas: Upper Constant Spring, areas located above the Ministry of Justice, and Lower Constant Spring, areas situated below the Ministry of Justice. Water will be provided on a 12-hour alternating schedule as follows. For the Constant Spring upper areas, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Lower areas, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. The Commission notes that in this initial phase, water management initiatives have been outlined for approximately 133 water supply systems across the island that traditionally show susceptibility to dry and drought conditions. The press release furthers that the Mona Reservoir system continues to be monitored, but remains relatively stable at approximately 85% capacity, and normal operations will be maintained for areas served by this system. Customers in areas supplied by the Constant Spring system are encouraged to note the enclosed regulation schedule and take steps to conserve and manage water responsibly. Customers in areas supplied by the Constant Spring system are encouraged to note the enclosed regulation schedule and to take steps to conserve and manage water use responsibly. The N.W.C will continue to monitor all systems closely and will provide updates as conditions evolve. The N.W.C is also encouraging customers to store water for use outside of scheduled supply hours, fix leaks promptly, install water-saving devices, reuse grey water where possible, and most importantly, conserve water at all times.